Safety management system. The combination of systematic procedures, practices, and policies for the management of risk at work. What is the importance of safety management system? Safety management system aims to ensure that safety is secured. Humans are protected from injury and harm, and the environment and property are not damaged. Today, I'm going to discuss six basic elements of a safety management system. As I told you, a safety management system combines all the different elements in your workplace that need attention to ensure you provide a safe working environment for everyone who enters in the workplace. Safety management system make health and safety an integral part of your business's core operations. By designing, developing, and implementing an effective safety management system, you will have methods for managing, reporting, responsibilities, planning, and resourcing to create a safer workplace. Do you know what are the minimum six basic elements that are required for a safety management system? Number one, a safety plan. Number two, policies, procedures, and processes. Number three, training and induction. Number four, monitoring. Number five, supervision. And number six, reporting. Dear friends and fellows, you are on the platform of Safety First Life. If you are first time on this channel, kindly subscribe it and press the bell icon for all future notifications. And if you find the video informative, then like, comment, and share it with your friends and colleagues. Let us discuss now the six basic elements one by one. We'll start with element number one. But before discussing safety plan, remember it is not enough to simply adopt a satisfactory safety management system. You must also actively implement that system in your workplace. To do this, you must ensure that workers comply with procedures and instructions. Workers are appropriately trained and workers are subject to ongoing supervision. If you will neglect or overlook these three important points, you cannot successfully implement safety management system in your workplace at any cost. So, element number one, safety plan. What is a safety plan? A safety plan is a strategic action plan that forms part of the business plan. It analyzes the current and prospective risk for a company and charts how the risk will be eradicated and controlled over a calendar period. The safety plan must have a budget. This plan will ensure that there is a governance structure within your company that ensures every worker clearly understands their safety responsibilities and obligations and how to comply and is accountable to carry out those obligations, roles, duties, or responsibilities. Element number two of a safety management system: policies, procedures, and processes. Policies, procedures, and processes include all safety paper infrastructures within your company. This paperwork will describe all safety behavior, expectations, record keeping, incident reporting, and incident notification documentation. Without policies, procedures, and processes, there is no concept of a safety management system. Element number three, training and induction. Depending on the nature of your workplace, whether it is low risk or a high risk, everyone who enters your workplace, your work area, job site, should receive training and induction on the rules of your company, the rules of the site, and the rules of the location they are visiting. But remember, the training content will depend on the level of risk the person is exposed to. So, induction training might be different for different people and also as per the nature and the level of the risk from one location to another location, from low risk to high risk. Element number four of safety management system, that is monitoring. Your obligations to monitor your workplace depend on circumstances and need. Always consider the level of risk. The higher the risk, the more frequent and detailed the monitoring needs to be. Other times when monitoring will be necessary, it include to ensure that all risk has been covered by a new risk assessment that has been carried out due to a change in process. For example, the installation of new workstations and when an investigation takes place following an incident and it recommends the level and the schedule of site monitoring or supervision. Element number five of safety management system, supervision. The only way to ensure your workers are carrying out their safety obligations is to have adequate supervision. The level of supervision required in your workplace will increase if the level of safety control put in place to reduce a risk is low. For example, the less effective the control measure used, the higher the level of supervision necessary. The last element, element number six of a safety management system is reporting. The governance structure of your company needs safety reporting at all levels, not just at board level or director level. Your workers need to know what safety looks like, what's going right, and what's going wrong. This can only occur when they receive safety feedback from you. For example, how many hazards identification, the risk levels associated with those hazards, and what control measures were implemented on your work site. Dear friends and fellows, this safety management system is only for a low risk organization. These are the minimum requirements for a safety management system. If you are interested to know why a safety management system fails or what are the key features of a successful safety management system, I'll keep the links in the description. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, comment and share the video. Hope to see you soon with a new HSC tutorial. Until then, take care. Good luck and goodbye.